Alright, and just like that, we have it all tied up. So I gave this a well needed clean. It is now super clean. So now, this is what we got to do. I have to run a wire this area with the fuel pump, so yeah, I've done that. But before I could do that, I had to clean up the interior bit. I had quite a mess. The parts just sitting there for a while, so I'm gonna get to that first. Alright, so just a little quick update. The wire for the fuel pump is gonna be ran through the underside, along with this stock wiring harness, like for the body, alongside with the power source for the amp that I'm gonna run. So, you know, I had to pull out the fender liner to get access to all this. So now I'm gonna take off the kick panel from inside so I can get access to the grommet and start running the wires through. So on this side, we're gonna run it. The grommet sits somewhere deep in here, so I need to take off the 10 mil back here, right there, and pull this out, pull the carpet down, and I should have access to that grommet. Alright, so kick panel is off. So we pull this. Let's see if there is any sight of the grommet. I don't see it necessarily. I'm sure it's back here somewhere. Okay, so it's all the way up here. You're not gonna see it. So, since I'm not able to show you guys, I'm just gonna get working to it, pull out the wires, and I'll let you guys know. I'll make sure you guys know how complicated it is, if it's complicated or not, but it shouldn't be that complicated. So, little quick tip when you're trying to pass a wire through a grommet. Your best bet and tool is a clothes hanger you straighten out, and you're gonna use it as basically a fishing hook for your wire. So take the one end of the clothes hanger, put it through the grommet. Once you see it, pull it as much as you can, so that way you have access to wrapping the wire onto the clothes hook with tape. And once you do that, start slowly feeding it through. Alright, so right here we're feeding the clothes hook, and right there seems like it's in a good amount. So now we'll go into the inside, and then in here we just stick our hand where we would think the clothes hook would go through, and once you find it, pull it through, and just like that we have it out. Alright, so whatever wires you have to run, just tape them up, tape up the hook, and then on the other side, slowly start pulling it. Give yourself extra length on the inside if you're doing this on your own, so that way, you know, you don't have to keep coming back and forth. And just like that, you should be able to get it out. And just like that, now you got your wires out. So I'll run them, and I'm gonna just slip them within these retainers and run it to where I have to run it. And it's as simple as that. It's actually a really simple job. The hardest part was just trying to like find out where the grommet was, but other than that, it was really simple. So pretty much anyone could do this if you have like simple like car experience. side has been done. Got the body kit going all the way across. Now the only thing left to do is have the body shop paint them, and well, first do the other side and then have the body shop paint them. That's once I take the car back to the body shop. But so far so good. Now I'm gonna do the other side off camera, but you guys get the whole idea of how it works. So see you in the next one.